Hello? Is anybody out there?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is part 2 of traveling to Grenada for the first time. If you haven't seen part 1, I'm going to put a link somewhere here so you can click it and view it. If you have seen part 1, let me know in the comments what you thought about it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more content every week. And let's get into it. This is the outside. Yeah, too bad I cannot go outside. I'm like a prisoner. That's the room. My little area. And just look my suitcases and stuff. And then this is my balcony. Listen guys, being in quarantine for 7 days, listen, the boredom got to me. This was me literally just looking at animals. I don't know if they were doing it, I don't know if they were fighting, but that was my entertainment. So I'm finally out of quarantine and let the adventures begin. So this is me learning how to ride a quad. Yes, 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 yes. I had to learn how to change my gears from first gear to second gear to third gear. That's the highest I felt comfortable going.
Downshift. Pull in the clutch, go down again. Right.
And then it was around Easter time, so there was a little softball cricket, a little entertainment. There was a barbecue as well. Skipping through, guys. Listen, almost every day we were riding. And by we I meant my boyfriend. Bye, Clive.
a hookah lounge upstairs. There's like 3 bars. There's also a restaurant. It's really nice. The nightlife there, amazing. You need to go to La Pauline. Let me tell you, that massage, highly recommended. True Blue Bay Resort.
That's really up to something.
I know.
And then later that night, we actually came back. We got a room and there was some live entertainment. So all the guests of the resort would come out of their balcony and look over to the entertainers. Sushi at Cherry's Kitchen, and that's at Container Park. It's actually close to the St. George's University. And at my last night, we went to a birthday party, and after that, we went to an after party ride. And this was my time in Grenada.
Thanks for watching. I